Hello, welcome to Joy's Happy Hobbies. Guess what I'm getting myself into this time? Hey, welcome everyone. I'm going to do a paint by number kit. How about that? You know, I've been an avid diamond painter, and I haven't given up diamond painting. I'm still addicted to it. But I decided, hey, you know, diamond painting started from paint by number, so let's try it. The only paint by number that I've ever done is a black velvet ballerina, and that was when I was in elementary school. My mom hung it up on the wall for years. Anyway, so I know a lot's changed since then. So this is the picture. It's an Artist Loft, which is a Michaels brand. This is the picture on the box of my Jackson, my golden retriever lab. This is the closest picture that we've been able to find of him, and unfortunately it had to be in a paint by number, but not unfortunately, because it's a new challenge for me. Get back to the basics. So I'm kind of nervous about starting it, but we'll see. So anyway, let's look at the description. So we have paint by number. It's 16 inch by 20 inch or 40.6 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters vertical, up and down. It includes paint and brushes, and includes a wooden display hanger. And it says degree of difficulty is easy. There's 43 pieces. And it says somewhere here, it says 955 numbered sections, degree of difficulty easy. So it's less than diamond painting drills on a picture. So let's begin. Let's see what's in this pack. I'm excited to try it. Okay, so first it says we get the 16 inch by 21.5 inch canvas. So that's this. Here's the canvas. And fortunately, mine was rolled up in the box, so, I have no creases or bends or anything in it. Some of them, I guess, come all folded up, and then you have to deal with getting those out and ironing it and the whole bit. So I'm fortunate. I don't have to do that. It's kind of light. Trying to show it on the camera, so I'm going to just kind of show you the detail in it and all the little numbers there. Okay. The next thing we get is it's already marked off for the wooden hanger that I'll show you. See there? It's already marked off. Okay. What else? It comes with brushes, 2 detail brushes, and 1 small round and 1 small flat brush. Okay, so here are the brushes, and I'll go ahead and take these out for you so we can look at them. Let's see here. Okay, so it comes with 4 brushes. All right, here are 4 brushes. There's 2 detail ones. I'll get these together here. All right, and the little thing fell off of the brush here. Let me put that back on just so I don't ruin it. All right, so here's the 2 details. There we go. 2 detail brushes. They're thin. Okay. Then actually there's another one here, kind of a thicker one. You see that? Okay. and the flat brush. Here's the flat brush. So this is supposed to be all I need. Okay. And then in the same package comes, oh, let's get these out, comes the metal pieces to put the frame together. It's not a magnetic frame. You have to screw these pieces together on the wooden frame. Here, I'll show you the wooden frame. Here we go. Here's the wooden frame. And it's got the holes in here to put. There's me personally, I'm probably gonna, I'll go to the magnetic frame. I'm not gonna deal with these, but it comes with a kit, so that's cool. And it also has detailed instructions on how to put the frame together, how to use the little metal screws and stuff. See? Okay. Then it also comes with a reference sheet. So this one helps guide me along to the canvas. If I miss any places or I can't make out a number, I can look at this drawing reference sheet. Now, I did look on some YouTube videos of tips and tricks for paint by numbers, and some of them came with, they come with a reference sheet, but some of them were instructions on the side of how to start the painting. Well, I didn't get any instructions, so, I mean, how hard can it be? I don't know. So, and then the next thing that came with it is a printed picture. Okay. So here is the pic. Oh gosh, it just looks like the eyes it just looks like my Jackson. Okay, so this is the beautiful picture that it's supposed to turn out like. And we got the red and white flowers in the background. Looks like he's standing in front of my garden. But that's the expression. It's exactly how our Jackson looks. And we just had to get it, even though it was a paint by number. But I thought, well, what the heck, I'll try. And then here are the paint pods here. These are numbered 1 through 25. Okay, so there's the 25th one. I can take them out of the package so you can see. So they're all numbered. Doesn't look like very much, but from what I understand, nobody's ever run out of the paint for their pictures. So let's open one to see how it looks. All right, and there we go. There's the paint in there, and yeah, there's some of the lid. Okay, so that's how it comes. I don't know, can you see that good? So I'm going to snap that back on real good. Make sure it doesn't come out. So we've got the whites for some of these white flowers, the beiges for all the different shades of the face and the body. We've got some darker colors here, like this, and some reds for the flowers. All right. And then for the background, you can see some of the darker shades in here. See that? So here's some darker shades here. Okay, and this is, if you do paint by numbers, you know what all of this looks like. So I guess that's it. I'm going to have to look at some more of the videos and see if there's, I can't believe when I briefly looked at them, the YouTube paint by number instructions or whatever. There's a lot to it. I didn't think so, but look how detailed this is. Look at that, look how detailed. So I get it's like a diamond painting, except you're gonna paint. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that. Oh, and by the way, I did have another video up on this a couple of days ago, but I published it too soon without really going through it, and there were some things in it that I didn't like, and the voice was kind of bugging me. It was an echo in there, so I took it down. And so this is kind of like the replay of it, a little better description. So I will begin this soon, and I will do updates on it, let you see where I'm at and the problems I run into. And by that time, I will have watched a few of the tutorials. It looks challenging to me, but they say it's very relaxing, just like diamond painting. So I will get back with you, and we'll give an update. Okay, so thank you for joining me on this quick video. Thank you to my subscribers. I have an exciting news that I'm up to. It's been about 1.5 years since I've been doing this video, or the YouTube, and I'm at about 194 subscribers now, so almost at the 200 mark, which I'm very happy with. Being 1.5 years, that's not too bad. So help me get to 200. I just need a few more subscribers. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe. The button's right below. And hit the like button that's attached to it, so that once you subscribe, you'll get notifications of when I put new videos out like this, or whip and chats, or whatever I do, or any new exciting projects. Join my Facebook page. It's Joy's Diamond Painting and More. You're welcome to share any of your crafts that you do: diamond painting, paint by numbers, making pens, latch hook rugs, anything. I love to see it all. And thanks for joining. Thanks for sitting and watching. Okay, we will see you later. Bye.